Hello guys. Now, nimeona Mr. President amecondemn the war between USA, Israel and Iran. But hebu turudi home kidogo. Mr. President, tumekuwa na issue ya passports. Passports are being given to RSF warlords. And the leader of RSF tumekuona mkipigwa picha na yeye pale State House. The brother to Hemedi, who is the leader of RSF, alipatikana US with Kenyan passport. He is now under sanction. We Kenyans have not seen you or even your government institution condemning this issue from last week. Not even the ministry, the Department of Immigration, the ministry itself, Ministry of Interior, Waziri Kipchumba. Wewe unakuwa very fast sana kupeana statements, but this one mmekanyagia sana. You are not talking about it, which means kuna ukweli ndani yake, and mmeshindwa vile mtakuja na comeback kwa hii story ya passport being given to RSF warlords. But sisi kama wananchi, we will keep on asking these questions until we get the answers. How did these warlords got a Kenyan passport? Kama majibu hamtapeana, then mtapatana tu na sisi next year mwezi wa 8, time ya uchaguzi. Remember guys, we must talk about Kenya because Kenya is our business.